Okay, today you may talk about online shopping about hello-vanuatu platform where emi available through the hello social media platform. So by you click the number 3 icon where hemi stop where hemi basket where place you have a shop lehem, and then you have a click or search any kind product where you want them. For example, by you may type in milk, and then milk may come out, and then you just press them buy. Suppose you interest per milk, and then you say maclo chicken, and then you have find them any naravla kind product pakeken veggies. Suppose you want them some veggies, eggplant may come out. You click lo buy no more, and then you can selection blow veggies available spring onion. You bam, suppose you want them, and then emi semaklo capsicum. You just click lo buy, and then emi add the basket for you. Suppose you want the cross check every shopping below you click, and then you have a look everyone. You either add them more products or you carry them out. Suppose you think say you no more need them, and then you click lo checkout, put them good details below you where place driver hem is have find them you lehem, and then we have like a 3 sort of payment system. Either you pay cash, we have like a digital payment, we have like NIAS, and then ikat CB Vanuatu where you have a shop first time and then you have a pay after.